Okay, I'm going to try to do a video here with the two screens side by side that we don't have to flip back and forth. So here's the topic that's due to tomorrow night, and 70% of our class is ready to work on it. So let's do this together. Identifying the parts of an atom. So what you're going to be asked to do is sort of recognize this little graphic over here, and what you have is two spots here. Two areas. You have area A and area B. Okay, and area A is the nucleus of an atom, and area B is the electron shell. But you're not told that here by looking at this diagram. You're only told you've got these two sort of regions, I should say. And then what you're asked to do is to say, all right, so you've got these particles over here. Here's your name for the particles. And what's the symbol for that particle, and what's the charge, approximate mass, and AMU, and location of the diagram. Okay, so we're going to be asked. So what you might want to do is want to click on the explanation if you've never seen this before, and say what's an electron, and what's the symbol of an electron. Looking at this one here, right? And what's the charge of an electron, and what's the approximate mass and location. What I'm going to do, since I've already done that, is I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to guess at the symbol of an electron. I believe the symbol of an electron is going to be that. Let me thicken this up a little bit. Let me go there, here. Symbol of an electron is going to be that. Symbol of a proton, looking over here, I got my hint there, it's that. And the symbol of a neutron is N0, okay? So, all right, I can do that. I'm going to click on this over here now, and I'm going to say this one here is E superscript minus. Okay, and what's the charge of on an electron? The charge on an electron in terms of multiples of E. And E, look at this over here. This is cool. In our calculator, we've got, I believe, the charge of an electron somewhere here. Look at this. Charge of elementary charge. Is that it? Yep, that's the charge of an electron. And there it is, E, right there. You see it? Okay, you don't have to know that necessarily, but the charge in multiples of E is going to be minus 1 times E, right? That's the first multiple of E, and negative. So it's minus 1 in multiples of E in terms of coulombs. And the approximate mass. Now remember that the mass of a proton, let me come over here. Mass, how do you spell proton? With a P? Mass of a proton, let's go here. I might put some other information out here too. We'll pretend like we're just reading this from the explanation. Is that okay with you? All right, so the mass of a proton is about 1 AMU, and the mass of a neutron is about 1 AMU, atomic mass unit. And the mass of an electron is about 1/2000th AMU. Okay, so let's come over here and let's say 1/2000 is equal to 0.00. Oh, that's 200. 1/2000 is 0.0005. 0.0005. Okay, so let's say then the approximate mass then is going to be, there it is, 0.0005. And then the location. So is the location in region A, or is it in region B? And it turns out region B is the electron shells, definitely B. Okay, so that's how we're going to do this topic. Well, I know protons are in the nucleus. I'm going to go ahead and do that one first. And neutrons are also in the nucleus. Okay, so let's do that one. Okay, and it's also, we just now said, according to our graphic over here, our board work over there, that protons are about 1 AMU, neutrons are about 1 AMU, right? And the charge of a proton is going to be +1, and the charge in a neutron is 0, and then the names. Okay, so that's what this topic is about, and I think I'm going to cut it off there. Good luck to you. So let's check it first and get some green on there. All right, awesome. All right, good luck to you.